How to integrate Copilot with Visual Studio Code. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Copilot with your Visual Studio Code, making coding easier for you. So let's get started. First of all, when you log into your VSCode or when you open the interface of VSCode, you'll be able to see this option over here that says use AI features with Copilot for free, and you can simply click on set up Copilot for free, and here you'll be able to choose your theme with support for all your languages and other stuff, and here you can sign in to use your Copilot for free. So you can just click on it and you'll be redirected to GitHub. So here you need to write down the email and password of your GitHub. So I'm just going to type down my password and email of GitHub very quick. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this, that you're going to select user to authorize Visual Studio Code. So you can simply click on continue. And once you do so, you're going to authorize Visual Studio Code. So for that, you're going to click on authorize Visual Studio Code. And after that, it will say that this site is trying to open Visual Studio Code. So you can just click on open and it will redirect you to Visual Studio Code in order to begin the integration. Now let's just wait for the Copilot to get ready and then I'll get back to you. So once your Copilot gets ready, you'll be able to see something like this over here. So you can just, talk with Copilot and they'll say, hi, hello, how can I assist you today? And I'm going to say that, can you write me a Python code for addition? Like just simple addition. You can just ask them to write anything. And now GitHub Copilot is generating and this is the code. Now, if you wish to create a new file, you can just simply click on file over here, click on new file, and then you can write such as demo.py, hit enter, and it will just, create a file. So I'm going to click on create. And here you can press Ctrl-I to ask code to do something, and you can start typing to dismiss. So I'm just going to, write a hash over here, and I'm going to say that a Python code for addition and press enter. And now you can see that Copilot is suggesting me. And if you wish to accept the word, you can simply click on tab, and then you can click on tab, and then again you can click on tab, and Copilot will start generating the code for you. Now if you don't get the Copilot integration on the welcome page, you can simply click on this option over here, that is extensions. So you can simply click on it and search for GitHub Copilot. So just type that down, press enter, and once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options in the marketplace. So you get to download this one, that is the GitHub Copilot, and you can just click on install. You can see that I've already got it installed, but however, if you have not, you can simply click on install over here. So that was basically how you can integrate Copilot on your Visual Studio Code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.